Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the old circlips with the new ones. What you're going to need is a pair of pliers and a set of the new circlips. Take your pliers and remove one circlip and the other one. If you get them mixed up, you can tell which one is which by the new one having a slimmer neck right where the hole is. So, take your new circlips and before you put them in, just stretch them out a bit so they can hold a bit better. Then you take them, squeeze them gently and put them into the slider of the DSV. They should lock in place and they should snap when they get there, like so. Take the other one, squeeze and put it in. When you have it in the DSV, what you need to do is align them so they are against the opening there, so they apply the maximum amount of force. Take it, just rotate it, and that's done.
Thank you for your attention, and if you have any further questions, please consult the user manual or send us a question through email or through Facebook.